All right, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to insert a table of contents. My name is Paris. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight to the point. We're going to be creating our table of contents, but the first thing we need to do is we need to add content to actually format that table of contents and so we can see it displayed at the end of our training. So we're going to start by adding our cover page. Oops, excuse me. So what I'm going to do, let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to highlight the text and I'm going to click on the home button and I'm going to select the heading style. Anytime you're going to insert a table of contents, you need to have a heading style to input into the table of contents. So we have our cover page. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to re-navigate to this navigation panel and then I'm going to click page break. This sends me to the next page. Here, because I want my table of contents to be on the second page, I'm going to add it there, and then I'm going to insert another page break. So after my table of contents, I may want to add the course introduction to go ahead and, let's say, brief my target audience what my course is going to be about. So this is going to be on my third page. And then next, I'm going to insert another page break and add my course parameters. And then finally, just for the sake of time, I'm going to add another page break, and then I'm going to type in my course summary. Okay, so if I zoom out, this is what all of my pages looks like. Cover page, table of contents, my course introduction, my course parameters, and my course summary. And this is again to help you all organize your curriculum project book that I know that Professor Baker is requiring you all to do. So let me zoom back in. I'm going to go back to my second page, right? Because this is where I'm going to add my table of contents. Here, I'm going to click references. And then as we look at this entire tab, this menu at the bottom, I'm going to hover over the table of contents section. And here it gives you a brief description of what the table of contents is and how you can actually add it. And it says using a heading style will be included automatically. Uh, so to include more entries, select the text and add text. So you can even add text after you add your table of contents. But to make things easier, I went ahead and set up my pages. So I'm going to click on table of contents. And as you can see, this drop down menu, it provides you 3 different tables that you can add. So I'm going to click on automatic table number 1. And as you can see, my cover page is added, my table of contents is added, my course introduction is added, my course parameters and my course summary are all added, and they're properly aligned with the correct page numbers. So I'm actually going to hit Control Z and undo that. Let's see what happens if I add in automatic table 2. Okay, provides the same thing. So, and if we add in table 3, it gives us more control to add in the different titles, even subtitles for our table of contents. So, but for the sake of time, I'm gonna go back to number 1, and you can always go in and edit these if you want to change them. And even here, I can just rewrite table of contents and then erase this heading as well. So that way it's all formatted. Okay. And then don't forget on your header, you're going to click on home and write justify your alignment and then type in your page number, right? This is page number 2. So if I go up, oops, let's go to page number 1, type this in, insert, page number, top of page, plain number 1. There we go. That's how Microsoft Office interprets or reads your page numbers, and then we're going to write justify it. Okay. So now we see page number 2 and page number 3. Okay. And then it correctly aligns with the table of contents. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you were able to understand the training. And then if you have any questions, feel free to email me at paris.brown@myunt.edu. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.